Hi guys, welcome back to Ironmongery World. Today we're going to show you this Davenport 6-inch antique iron rim lock. Fantastic quality this today. Look at this. Look at the brass detail on this. Comes with some lovely brass keys as well. And a nice brass and iron keep. Really a heavy piece of kit this. Okay, we're going to demonstrate today how to fit this lock onto the door. 5 points of contact. We'll just do the first one. I've pre-drilled a hole. Quite simple really. Just run round the back here. Two underneath. And the last one there. There we go, that's that fastened. We've already pre-drilled the hole for the handle. So we change the drill bit to a large piece, nice and slowly. Okay, these are the two handles, solid brass, and your thread with your washer, which we must take off. This will affix to the other side of the door. On that side. Bit of force, pre-drilled hole, quite easy. Now we're going to put that washer onto the back of that plate. Okay, now we're going to fit the keep to this particular model. As you can see, it's got some great brass embellishment on it. Really pretty piece this. So it's going to fit it. Very easy into the door frame. 2 screws. And finally, the 2 brass keys.